Sanibonani guys, naniyazi ukuthi mina ngibona kuma screen enu kusho khona ukuthi nginiphathele isigaxa sendaba. Guys, so allegedly this woman in Mpumalanga has been arrested, and the reason for her arrest is because she's been teaching maths and science since 2016 and she didn't even pass her matric. Kuthiwa all her learners were passing a distinction, and over the years she's accumulated 1.2 million in her teaching, what. So now kuthiwa bavele bambopha bathi, how did you become a teacher unganawo matric? Kodwa at the guys mesiyibuka le ndaba, lo mama lona iy'ngane zakhe zonke zithola i-distinction in maths and science. So why bembopha? Abavele bemphindise ku-matric bamnike certificate benze yonke into and let her carry on teaching, because clearly she's more qualified than most of abantu abafundisa i-maths and science at this point. Like, I understand ukuthi why bembophile, but that's what's happening right now. I will try and come back and tell you guys ukuthi usephumile yini la bambophele khona and siboneni ukuthi kwenzakalani. But according to me, ngithi mina bamphindise ku-matric noma bamnike isitifiketi kahle kahle, bamnike izinto zakhe ephume ejele. How?